Well, hey there, my sweet friend. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Melanie Ferguson, and I am the host of the podcast Creatives on Fire. Today, I'm super excited because we are going to build on the freebie that we created last week. So, last time we set up our freebie over in Flowdesk. So, this week we're going to kind of add to that. We're going to create a powerful lead magnet welcome series over in Flowdesk that we can deliver in 4 short emails that is going to connect those people to us, make them get to know, like, and trust us so much that we're able to seamlessly sell to them and actually make money, convert our freebie into actual sales. There's going to be 4 types of emails that we're going to go over today. So they are to deliver and connect. That's the first one. We're going to deliver that freebie to them again and connect with them on a deeper level. Number 2, we're going to serve and relate. Number 3, we're going to invite and sell them something. And number 4, we're going to do a little bonus kind of a downsell in case they didn't take us up on our offer and remind them of the offer. So this one is key. Okay, my friend, we are in the screen to show you last time what we learned, which was adding this freebie content into a Flowdesk opt-in form. So we have our image over here on the left. We have our opt-in information here on the right. Here's the download button. This is over here where we added on the thank you page, just the simple thank you. And then we added this URL where we had gotten that from our WordPress media. Now, wherever you host your PDF or your freebie is where you will put for this link. Now, if you missed that again, I will link it in the description below so that you can catch up and make sure that you're on the same page. So we're not changing any of this. I always want to deliver that freebie the fastest way to them. We're not here to make the people frustrated or mad at us. So we're going to keep that right there. But what we are going to do is go over here in Flowdesk. They have this neat feature called workflows. And basically we are going to create a workflow for this welcome series. And I've already created one here that I am going to share with you as a template. So don't worry about taking a ton of notes on this. You will be able to use this yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and put preview here. We're going to go through the 4 emails that I've created for you. And of course, you'll need to personalize them to your audience. Now, first thing you're going to do on a welcome sequence is you're going to add a trigger. So this is going to be how the people are going to be tagged in your system. So mine says when a subscriber is added to a segment called, I just called it faux freebie. So you can actually call it whatever the name of your freebie is. You want to know how they came to you, how they showed up to you. So in the previous video, we created them to go into our main list, which is fine, but you can also add them to the specific freebie name that you create. Now, once this is triggered, this is the email sequence they will get. The first one is going to be a deliver and connect. So we are delivering that freebie again. And I just said, hey, my new friend, here is that blankety blank you signed up for. And then put the button here again, or put another link to it again, just in case they didn't see it when you first delivered it. And then just introduce yourself. I said, hey, I'm Melanie. I'm here to help you create a home and life you love on a budget. Thank you for joining me. I'm so happy you're here. And then I just give them a little bit of information in order to get to know me better. And for me, the best way for them to get to know me better is to see what I offer over on my blog. So I just created a couple of links to some blog posts that can give them a little taste of what to expect from me. And then I just added an image just to kind of connect with them a little more. And I put a little bit of information about what they're going to get from me in my future emails. I put a link to my about page here so that they can read a little bit more if they're that personality and want to get more information. And then I just also plugged my YouTube. So I put on here one of my most popular YouTube channel videos. And that way they have something to go deeper with me if they're ready to do so. And then This is just your regular Flowdesk bottom part of the email that has all of your Instagram if you have connected it. But the main thing on this is to show that we are re-delivering the freebie and we are trying to connect with our audience on a deeper level. So whatever that looks like for your business, whether you want to share additional posts or additional information about yourself and why you two, are the same, then this is where you will do that. Okay, so then also the second email, first of all, we're going to wait a day. So that's already built in. Again, I will be sharing this template with you. So all you have to do is copy the template to your Flowdesk account. If you don't already have a Flowdesk account, I will link an affiliate link below so that you can get started with it. But the second email that you're going to have is going to be serving them and relating to them. So serving them and relating to them. I just put, you want to know where I get my supplies? Because I'm figuring that they do a lot of crafting. That's how they've landed on my freebie. And I just put, hey, I create a lot. And I'm assuming they do as well. And it says that I created one place where you can literally shop online for all the discounts of supplies on any project you find on my site. And I go on a little bit about it, just saying how I can relate to them. I like to shop for supplies. And here is a little link if you want to shop for discounted supplies. And you may have something additional to serve your audience with that's different from this, but just think about something that they could relate to, that relates to your brand, that can also be a way to serve them. We're not selling them really anything here, except these are going to be affiliate links in my case. That is kind of a great way to double dip, but you are really trying to just serve them where they're at and create a relationship. We're going to wait one more day in between those emails, and we're going to do our third type of email, which is invite and sell. So on this one, I'm saying, hey there, it's me again. If you made it this far, you're not just collecting freebies, you're serious about creating and decorating. And then I ask them, which is your favorite? And then I tell them, listen, here's the situation. You've got the freebie. Now it's time to get inspired weekly, create with purpose and connect with others. I created a community called Southern Crush VIP Group. This is my MVP product. This is the product that I am going to connect with them the most. It's going to be my medium priced product. It is a recurring subscription membership. This could be a one-off product for you. It could be a full-blown ebook. Maybe your freebie was just a one-sheet checklist and this is your full-blown ebook. Whatever that is, this is what the email is for. You are going to try to upsell them from the free item to something paid. So I just put that information here for them to connect with me at that level. And then the next thing we're going to do is wait 2 days. And for the fourth and final email, we are going to deliver a bonus and try to offer a downsell too. So on the bonus, I'm putting here that first of all, I'm reminding them about the paid offer. So I'm saying, hey there. So I have to know, where do you go most often when you're looking for new ideas? For me, that's easy. My group, basically, that I already told you about in that last email 2 days ago. So you can remind them of the product or the thing that maybe they purchased or maybe they didn't. And then I also put Pinterest. This is kind of just an added way for them to connect with me in case they're Pinterest people and that's their favorite way to get information. I'm saying follow me on Pinterest. So it's kind of a bonus little piece of email, content to connect with them, but it also is going to be a subtle reminder of the offer that you gave them in the last email, as well as another way for you to connect with them in case they don't do the other things you've already sent. So that is how simple it is to do this email workflow over here in Flowdesk. And then they are finished with the workflow. And now they are set up and ready to start communicating with you on a weekly basis. Deliver and connect for the first one. You're going to deliver that freebie for the second time because hopefully they got it the first time. But if they didn't, you're going to definitely be offering them the opportunity to get it again. You're going to serve and relate to them on the second email and then invite them to purchase something from you. Something under $50 is best. So this is going to be like we talked about a full-blown ebook. It could be a mini course. It could be a workshop that you're selling. It could be like I just said, a membership, something that they can get into your world. Okay. And then the fourth one is a reminder of that thing that they could have purchased or maybe did purchase, as well as the bonus way to stay in touch with you. So I hope this was helpful. I hope this is going to be something that is going to help you convert your people from a free offer to a paid offer. All right, my friend. Until next time, check out this next video.